Okay, real quick. Integers, rational numbers, real numbers, complex numbers. Here's a. I think I'm gonna post a link at the end of the video. This is like a thing where you can learn algebra real quick, or like refresh it if you plan on doing tutorials or whatever. And go down, down, down. Natural counting numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, rational numbers, real numbers, and all that other stuff. Absolute value. Um, if you go into complex programs, it's going to get to that. But if you can add, divide, subtract, and all that, and what's the other thing called? Yeah, if you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and do this like when you the inequality or whatever as addition slash subtraction property for inequalities. If you can find like the remainder of something, like you're straight for like most of the basic algebra. If you get in like high programming and like you're doing like the next AAA game and all that, then you're gonna need like calculus and all that. But if you're just doing this, then add, subtract, multiply, divide, and you need to be able to like divide something and find the remainder, and that's all you need. Add, subtract, multiply, divide, and find the remainder. Okay, that's it for that. All right, and now for the problem. Uh, title. Every program starts with a. All right, title is Lehman's terms, but proper vocabulary, proper vocab. When I say proper vocab, that means I'm going to go into the technical thing that you're really supposed to say, not the Lehman's terms, so you can understand it, but the technical thing, so that uh, when people start saying ex squared, all that is only you. All of the extra heavy vocab words that they actually use. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna just start using the proper term. So every Java program starts with a class, and right now we're just gonna call it title, and this will be subtitle. But proper vocab is this is all method. Okay, and now the actual program. All right, pause real quick. Titles in everyone and methods in everyone. We went over this. Oh, oops. And methods in everyone. We went over this, but I just went over again real quick. Method. I didn't have to do that last method, but I did it anyway. Okay. All right. In the system folder, all the stuff that lets us put stuff out on the screen, and the actual function that lets us put it out on the screen. And in parentheses, it's just going to add 24 plus 6. In parentheses, it's going to let us add 24 and 6. In parentheses, it's going to let us add 24 and 6. Bam, 50, bam, 50, bam, 50. So literally, title, subtitle, print to the screen, in parentheses, it's automatic. Java's going to solve it by itself. Java's going to solve it by itself. Java's going to solve it by itself. Bam, 50, 50, 50. And this is literally public class, title, bam, that's the end. That's all we need is the title. Subtitle, bam, that's all we need is the subtitle. And then actual code, bam, it solved it. And then after we solve the code, that's the end of that. Okay, so class, title, method, subtitle, code, and then that's it. Okay. All right, import. What did I say this was? Honorable mention, blah blah blah, Martha, all that. Honorable mention in my book, Martha. Bam. Title of the book. Bam. Subtitle of the book. Bam. Class, main class. Okay. Should I explain import? I'm gonna make that for myself later. Okay, scanner input. Remember, hold on. Alright, we're gonna name it input. Now ignore everything for now. I found this is an easier way, for me anyway. All we want to do is, this is the name of what we're gonna do, what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and input something. And new, we're putting a new technology in the trunk, new technology in the trunk. And the type of technology is a scanner. Or you could just say coffee machine. And what it's going to do is, all this is basically just saying this lets us type stuff in. Okay. All right, that's the end of the video. Ran out of time.